stair chair lift, a modern-day wonder. Have you even been to one of those historical shrines or perhaps ancient wonders wherein you need to walk up more than 200 steps on the stairs just to catch a glimpse of history? Phew. I've been to one. But going back is the farthest thing on my mind. In fact, had I known it was to be that exhausting, I would not have given it a time of the day. But what if you had no choice but to climb that flight of stairs, and every day nonetheless? Alright, so maybe not the 200 steps, at least a dozen or less. Easy, right? To you and me, it could be. But not to some who suffer from injuries due to old age or perhaps permanent disability. However, there are a number of options to make life easier for them. Perhaps they can find a place with no stairs. That would be an easy solution. But how about if they are unable to do some drastic changes such as packing their bags? Well, the best solution they can probably come up with is to install modern innovations in their homes to make life a breeze for the elderly or the handicapped. A stair chair lift is the most practical and economical answer to their woes. Acquiring one for the home is easy and convenient. Why move truckloads of belongings to a new home when you can simply install one movable chair in your old home to aid you in mounting up the stairs? Having a stair chair lift does not only make them enjoy life more by giving painless access to all floors of the home building, but also it can add up to the beauty of the home. Designs to suit any lifestyle can be easily found. And installing one in the home does not even distract or disrupt household activities. Most stair chair lift manufacturers even install the equipment for you. You can have custom-made or readily available lifts mounted up on the staircase so you don't have to wobble all the way or down your stairs while holding on to the railings for dear life. A stair chair lift can take you to there in less time and more comfort. So why sweat over the thought of going down to grab something to eat in the kitchen, or perhaps going to the living room to lounge the afternoon away?
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.